For Chinese New Year, in the Year of the Dragon, we're unleashing the protection of Dahua AirShield. No wires, no worries. AirShield guards your home like a watchful dragon, with rock-solid connection and mobile control at your fingertips. Stop intruders in their tracks with invisible protection. See everything that happens live on your phone. With Dahua AirShield, modern safety made simple. But wait, there's more. If you're a professional installer this Chinese New Year, buy 2 AirShield kits or 2 wireless PIR cameras and get the third one absolutely free. That's triple the protection, triple the peace of mind, triple the dragons. Offer valid only from February the 5th to April the 30th from authorised Dahua distribution partners. Make sure you don't miss out. AirShield. This year, unleash the dragon of security from Dahua Technology.